So guys, I just wanted to show how I mounted them. So basically I needed 3-meter long pieces of wood to mount them like that, but they will hold up at now on these ones. So basic bracket, 21 cents in piece, and double-sided tape. It's not tighted extremely strong, but just to not let them move, so all structure is solid, and I'm happy with the level also. Just like a glass. So yeah. And also here, 2 of them. For third one I don't have wood anymore, because I need a 1.25 meters long piece of wood. So yeah, we'll think of it, we'll place it the third panel later. And so now I just have to wait for AliExpress for T-connectors, because I took T-connectors simply because I will connect 5 panels, these 4 and one more at the bottom together, and then another 5 panels to other charge controller, and yeah, and also those ones I will take a branch connector 3 slot, but for these ones I need 5 slot branch connector, T connectors, because branch connectors, it's not easy to find them on AliExpress with 5 slots. So I chose T connectors, and I think it will be good. It's quite long wires, and also if I will need, I will extend them, or I will chop these ends off and then just extend them, and that's it. And yeah, we'll start dismantling batteries. Not sure how I will do it, with force or with a heat gun to melt that black plastic a little bit, so it would be easier to take them out. But yeah, we'll do it tomorrow. So yeah, still happy holidays, stay healthy, subscribe, comment, like, ask questions, happy Easters, and see you next time, guys.